Good morning, children. Are you all fine? Well, let's get into today's class. Today, our topic is short form. Okay. First, all of you open your classwork. Open your classwork. Take a pencil and draw the margin and write today's date 22/9. Okay. First, all of you take your classwork. If you have place, you can write continuously. Have no place, you can write next page and draw the margin and write today's date 22/9. And here question number 4. Okay. Now write the following numbers. Write the following numbers. All of you note down in your classwork with pencil. Okay. Write the following numbers in short form. In short form. Okay. Today our topic is short form. So now the given number like this. 6 tens, 5 ones. 6 tens, 5 ones. And they are given 2 boxes and again another box. This box you can draw with pencil. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, now how we can find out the short form? So now let us learn. Now 6 tens. Here how many tens given here? 6 tens. So 6 tens means 6 tens are 60. So now I am writing in first box 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. And again here plus. Next 5 ones. 5 ones. So now 5 into ones means 1. 5 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Now 60 plus 5. Now I am taking 5 fingers. Here 60. Okay. After 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Now what is the answer? 65. If you don't know 65, you take a rough column and here write 60 plus 5. Okay. 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5. 5. Okay. So no 0, no value, no. So that's why 5 we can write directly. Okay. Next here 6 I am writing directly. Here no adding numbers, no. So now what is the answer? 65. Okay, understood? Now I am going to next problem, B bit. Now in B bit 7 tens, 7 tens, 3 ones. 7 tens, 3 ones. So now here given like this. So now here 2 boxes, middle place and again here 1 box. Now first these numbers we can write in, these names we can write into numbers. Okay. 7 tens. 7 tens. 7 tens are 70. So now 70 I am writing here. Okay. Next and again here put a plus. And next 3 ones. 3 ones are 3. So now I am writing 3 here. Okay. 70 plus 3. 70 plus 3 if you don't know. Now I am writing here addition. 70 plus 3. 0 plus 3. 3. And again I am writing here 7. What is the answer? 73. Okay, this is one method. Another method, here I am taking 3 in my fingers. Here what is the number? 70. After 71, 72, 73. So now I am writing here 73. Understood? Now I am going to C bit. 8 tens, 8 tens, 4 ones, 4 ones. Understood? Now, so now here again they are given 2 boxes and middle plus and equal another one box. Okay, now here 8 tens. 8 tens means 8 tens are 8 tens are 80. 8 tens are 80. So 80 I am writing in a one box, and next 4 ones. 4 into 1, 4 ones are 4. So now I am writing here second box 4. Now 80 plus 4. So now here first I am writing here 80, and again here I can do the addition with 4. 0 plus 4, 4. And 8 I am write directly. Okay, what is the answer? 84. Now I am writing here 84 in the box. Okay, understood? Now next I am go to D bit. 9 tens, 0 ones. 9 tens, 0 ones. So again they are given here 2 boxes, and again here single box. In this single box we are writing here short form. Okay, so now this is a process. Now 9 tens. 9 tens are 90, and 0 ones. 0 ones are 0. 90 plus 0. 0 to any number we can add addition to. The answer is same. 90 plus 0 or 0 plus 90. The answer is 90. So I am writing 90 in direct way. Okay, understood? So this is a short form. Understood all of you? So these 4 problems you can write in your classwork. Okay. Now close your classwork all of you. Close your classwork and take your textbook all of you. Take your textbook. So classwork work is finished. So now classwork is finished now. So now complete your classwork and close your classwork and open your textbook page number 6. Open your textbook page number 6. So now in your textbook given like this, here today's homework 4th bit. Here textbook for 4th bit. 22-9 homework. Okay, 22-9 homework. This is a 4th bit. This 4th bit today's homework. Okay, so now in your textbook given like this, write the following numbers in short form. And here given the first problem 2 tens, 2 tens, 2 ones, and B bit 9 tens, 9 tens, 4 ones, and C bit 6 tens, 0 ones. Okay, these 3 problems today's homework. So today's homework you can write in your textbook. Only textbook you can write. Okay, take your diary all of you. Write today date, day Tuesday, Date 22/9. And today's max diary work. Max diary work. Innings 1.1. Fourth bit. Fourth bit A to C. Fourth one A to C. Write in textbook. Write in textbook. Write in textbook. Today's max homework innings 1.1 fourth bit A to C writing textbook. Okay, understood all of you? Today's, so all of you write these answers in your textbook and take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Okay, next class we will meet again another topic. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.